Today I'm working on getting my downpipe on my Veloster N. I already started, so I took the heat shield off. I took the O2 sensors off. The O2 sensor, and I think this is the AFR sensor, something like that. I pulled this part back. I used a bunch of sockets and stuff. People say you need the swivel, but I ended up doing it without the swivel. So as long as you have like a small 14 and a big one, you can kind of manipulate it. And if you have like different little wrenches and stuff, I guess ratchets, whatever, you can kind of snake your way back there. And I got so lucky that literally all four of them came out unstripped, and the studs are all there as well. So I'm thankful. I'm hoping that, fingers crossed, everything else goes well. So pretty much now I need to go under the car, disconnect the mid pipe. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. So I'm gonna spray the bolts real quick and then I'll pick up the recording. The car's not super high up, so I'm working with what I got. I could probably go slightly higher, but I don't know. Oh, it's pretty dark. I might just not record right here since it's so dark. I don't have my... Oh wait, I do have my phone. Alright, I got some light. So this is what it looks like. Hello. So this is day like 6 or something. Still trying to do the downpipe. I had so many issues trying to get out the 14mm bolt that was holding. Damn, it's really dirty. My bad. I think that was an ADHD moment, but anyway. The two 14mm bolts that were holding the downpipe in place. So let's get back to it. After a long time, I finally got the downpipe out. The other piece is up there somewhere. I don't have O2 sensor sockets, so I want to go get those at AutoZone real quick. And then come back and see if I can install a new one. Though I doubt I'll get it done today, but I'll try my best. Came to the AutoZone to buy a O2 sensor socket. Hold on. Basically caught on fire. Hold on. Okay, so I went to AutoZone and I bought a O2 sensor socket thing, and basically I came outside of the AutoZone and I was trying to take it off, and then something happened to my impact gun. But then they saw me out there, working on it, and I'm guessing they thought that I stole somebody's cats and was doing illegal stuff. So the guy came out, he was like, hey man, you can't work on stuff here, blah blah blah, they'll tow your car. I'm like, that sounds ridiculous, but I'm like, I'm not gonna make a big deal about it. So anyway, I just got home and transferred the O2 sensors, and I think it's time for the reinstallation. I think kinda nervous, but I guess here goes nothing. Alright guys, so I just put the first part of the downpipe on. Yep, so the bolt on the bottom left is still giving me issues, so I'm just gonna skip that for now and go under the car and try to connect the second piece. I'm gonna use the bolts that they supplied, which has like Allen key things, the Allen key bolt heads on it. I'm not sure why they did it like that, but I guess I'm just gonna try it and see what happens. If I have to change it, then that's what I'll do, but I guess I'll just attempt to put it on right now. So yep. I'm gonna do some normal revs, then end mode. too much. You know what I mean? Too much. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna lower the tire pressure in the front. That one was not bad though.